This is the garage in the front door of the property over at 20265 Royal Villagio Court, number 201. Looks like they've done a nice laminate on the stairs leading up to the second floor, or maybe it could be wood, it's kind of hard to tell. I think it is a laminate though, because it kind of matches that. And then this is the den right here, kind of coming off of the main entryway. Nice for an office, maybe an occasional sleeping quarters for your guests. Your kind of your formal second bedroom and bathroom is over here. Nice walk-in closet. Laundry room. Everything looks very nice in here. Of course, you have your lanai over here, and then this is the master suite. We do have a tub and a shower. Nice walk-in closet. And this one's a little bit smaller. Of course. And of course, this does have the view of that beautifully landscaped area right behind. So you do have a nice view here. Once again, a beautiful view. It's kind of a very private little area here with the berm and the wall. But as you can hear, there is a little bit of road noise. You do have I-75 behind there. So inside it's perfectly quiet. You'll never hear anything, but when you're out here, you will hear a little bit of traffic. Hope this helps.